In the ever-expanding landscape of online earning platforms, CLK.SH emerges as a notable contender, promising users a pathway to financial independence through simple clicks. As with any online income-generating endeavor, curiosity is piqued. In this exploration of CLK.SH, we delve into its mechanisms, potential earnings, user experiences, and the broader context of such platforms in the digital age. Positions itself as a URL shortening service combined with an earning opportunity. The concept is straightforward. Users shorten URLs through the platform, and when others click on these shortened links, the user earns a small commission. On the surface, this seems like an effortless way to make money online, appealing to those seeking supplementary income streams or passive earnings. The allure of CLK.SH lies in its accessibility. Anyone with internet access can create an account and begin shortening links immediately. Whether you're a student looking to earn pocket money or a professional seeking additional income, itself is a viable option. Furthermore, the process requires minimal effort. Shortening a link takes mere seconds, making it an attractive proposition for individuals with limited time to dedicate to online ventures. The reality of earning through CLK.SH is more nuanced. While the concept is simple, the actual earnings may not match initial expectations. The commission rates per click are typically low, often ranging from fractions of a cent to a few cents per click. As a result, significant earnings require a substantial volume of clicks, which may prove challenging to attain without a considerable online presence or marketing strategy. Operates within a competitive landscape. With numerous similar platforms vying for users' attention, generating clicks becomes increasingly challenging. Users must navigate through a sea of shortened links. This saturation can diminish the effectiveness of individual links, further complicating the pursuit of substantial earnings. As with any online earning platform, concerns about payment reliability and longevity loom large. Users may hesitate to invest time and effort into a platform that could potentially vanish overnight or fail to fulfill its financial promises. Additionally, the reliance on advertising revenue to sustain the platform introduces an element of uncertainty, as shifts in the digital advertising landscape could impact CLK.SH's profitability and, consequently, its ability to compensate users. Reflecting the diverse nature of online earning endeavor, some users report modest success, earning enough to supplement their income or cover small expenses. Others express frustration at the slow pace of earnings or the perceived lack of transparency. As with any online platform, individual results may vary based on factors such as audience demographics, marketing strategies, and sheer luck. It's essential to consider the broader context of online earning opportunities. While the allure of quick and easy money is enticing, sustainable income generation often requires a more strategic and multifaceted approach. Diversifying revenue streams, building a strong online presence, and cultivating genuine connections with audiences are essential elements of long-term success in the digital landscape. The pursuit of online earnings should be approached with caution and informed skepticism. Not all opportunities are created equal, and distinguishing between legitimate platforms and potential scams is paramount. Researching user reviews, scrutinizing terms of service agreements, and exercising due diligence can help mitigate risks and maximize potential returns. Itself is a simple and accessible means of earning money online through link shortening and click monetization. While the concept is straightforward, the reality of earning through CLK.SH is more nuanced. With modest earnings potential tempered by logistical challenges and questions of legitimacy. As with any online earning endeavor, success requires patience, perseverance, and a critical eye for evaluating opportunities in the ever-evolving. Here is the reviews for the top of the highly trusted website.